Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are given a triangle ABC. AC, the hypotenuse, is given as 12 cm and the angle BAC is given in radians, 0.7 radians. And we have a perpendicular lines. So this is in fact a right angle triangle. So find the length of BC. Well, with this as the angle that we are talking about, with respect to this angle, then I will have my hypo. BC is what we are required to find. So this will be my opposite. And with trois caso, which one should I use? Yes, I have a H and O. I'm going to use sine ratio. Okay, and that's what you will see here. Sine of 0.7 radians is equal to opposite, which is the BC, over the hypo, 12. Then all I have to do is to multiply 12 on both sides. A word of caution though, do ensure that your calculator, if you are using your calculator, is in radian mode. Since we are dealing with radian for angles. So please make sure that calculator to be in radian mode. Part B, find the area of this triangle ABC. Well, this is what Mr. Tan would do. Mr. Tan would find the length of AB using trois caso. Okay, so in this case here, this will be my adjacent side. I still have my hypo. So A and H, you will see Mr. Tan applying cosine. Okay, so AB over 12. And again, do ensure that this is in radian mode. Please make sure that your calculator is still in radian mode, as that may affect your answers or your values of AB. And once I know my AB as 9.1781, then I will be able to tap on my half times base times height. Half times base times height to give me a final answer of 35.5 cm square rounded off to 3 significant figures.